Hello. In this, we're going to be completing another proof. Because proofs are probably one of the hardest things we've done so far, and it's good to just have it down. Okay. So this proof, we have a line that has 4 points, A, L, S, and K, and what we are given is AL equals SK, and we have to prove that AS equals LK. So let's start with, we know this is going to be given because it's given to us here. In this, LS equals LS. This is something called the reflexive property, and what the reflexive property says is that any real number is equal to itself. So we know LS equal to LS. AL plus LS equals SK plus LS. This is the addition property of equality, because we already know what it says, that if two expressions are equal to each other and you add the same value to both sides, so we know AL equals SK, so, and we also know LS equals LS, so we can add these. So yeah, not the best typer. Okay. AL plus LS equals AS. We have to, this is going to be the segment addition postulate. We went over this in the last video, but if you haven't watched it, I'll say it again. This postulate states that if we are given 2 points on a line segment, the line segment AC, for an example, I'll use the letters A and C, and a third point B lies on the line segment AC if and only if the distances between the points meet the requirements equation, like AB plus BC equals AC. So we see LS plus AL equals AS. This would meet the standards. And same for the next one too. And our final step is the substitution property. And it's what it sounds like. You substitute in. Yeah. Oh, I just said prep. And yeah, that's it. We've completed 2 proofs, and for all the postulates, that's in the glossary, and yeah.